Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to track a package. Apple has made significant improvements in recent years, especially in how the iPhone detects phone numbers, emails, and tracking numbers. To begin, open up the web browser on your phone. Then tap on the search bar and search for UPS Track Order or UPS Track Order in here. Now open the UPS official site from where you can track your packages. After that, enter your 25-digit tracking number and hit the track button. Then you can easily track your order by using the site. This feature works seamlessly with major carriers in the US and internationally, including UPS, USPS, FedEx, UPS, DHL, and more. If you are having trouble tracking the package or need more information, contact the sender or retailer. They may be able to provide additional details or assistance. Some carriers offer notification services where you can sign up for email or text alerts regarding your package status. This can keep you informed about any changes in delivery status. Remember that the tracking process may vary slightly depending on the carrier, so it is always a good idea to refer to the specific carrier's instructions on their websites. Tracking is a valuable tool to monitor the progress of your package and ensure a smooth delivery experience. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.